arriving in Butenbach.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
The name of this beer, Leffe.
In 200 meters.
Perhaps we have some village or city named Leffe. What do you think?
Never considered that. I guess so.
At the roundabout, continue straight.
You're still filming, right?
Yes, I do. Oh, wait. Okay. Those are funny vehicles, huh? They're fast.
Of course.
I don't see them on the camera anymore. I zoomed it, but cannot see them well. Man, they're fast! That is not with 70! They're not fair!
Well, the back of them were not that spectacular anyways.